On May 22, 2024, officers respond to a reported burglary at a residence still under construction in Palm Beach, Florida. Contractors on site say tools were stolen days earlier after someone jumped a fence in the early morning hours. With surveillance footage reviewed and questions unanswered, officers now work to document what happened and determine the next steps.
So you have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Do you understand this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. Do you understand this, right? You have the right to the presence of a lawyer of your choice and before you make any statement and during any questioning. Do you understand this, right?
Sir. Nothing hard, man.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, you're entitled to the presence of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement and during any questioning. Do you understand this, right? If at any time during an interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. Do you understand this, right? I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Do you understand this, right? Any statement can be and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand this, right? Can I just ask you to sign here, just that you
Fine, I already understand, like, because you explained it to me and stuff, so I can't get his answer.
Here.
Where?
So, you spoke to Brittany. I understand Brittany's your girlfriend, correct? You guys have been together for a while now. You guys have been moving around. Is that correct? Do you have a brother?
Yes.
Okay.
That's why I moved out of that family, because he's toxic.
I understand he shot you.
Yes, I hate him very much. I hate him. We're just dealing with so much together right now, and my family's not very good to me, and it's just like the only people I know from me.
Does her family take good care of you?
Yes.
You feel safer with her family? I can tell you guys love each other. All right, She seems like a really good girl, and I just think you got tied into a bad situation. Right.
If nothing, we were forced into it. If none of that, you know what I'm saying? I told you that I'm scared of my brother deeply. So whatever that's got going on, whatever's got to do with, I want to stay away from my brothers. So I'm telling you right now, like whatever my brothers got involved with, ain't got nothing to do with me, dude. Because I've been trying to stay away from him. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not into shit like that anymore. Like I'm growing up now, and I'm just trying to get my life on.
That's right. So well, I'm gonna tell you the same thing I told Brittany when I spoke to her. Okay. We already we know everything, okay? But we can only get your side of the story to help you out.
It's fine, we're trying to figure out what it is.
Okay, and I'll tell you exactly what it is. We're just going to go step by step if you just...
Yes.
We'll do this calm, cool, and collected, all right? So, the reason we brought you in today, okay?
Just tell me what it is so I can just...
Okay. I'm going to do straight up with you then.
Yeah, just...
Fair enough?
He called me and Brittany... And he said that he needs to get something from a friend's house, and then she's like, you know what I'm saying, how my anxiety is about my brother. All he needs is a ride. Obviously, gave us money for gas money, and it's just, like I said, we're in between jobs, so my brother said something about money, work on myself, whatever. Gave us gas money to get there, dropped them off somewhere, and then that's it. Like, literally just told us that he's going to grab something from friends. He only had a book bag on, so I'm not sure what he was doing, because I don't know what he was doing. And I said that was the last time. Just because it seemed weird to me, because I know my brother doesn't have friends over there, so it was weird to me. But other than that, that's all we did is pick them up, and he told us to drop them off at the end of the street. That's all he told us to do.
At the end of the street.
And that's all I know.
Did you see him go into a house?
No, but like I said, all he said is he told us to go at the end of the street, and then he disappeared after that. We thought he went inside somewhere to a friend's house, to a girl. We don't know. It was a ride. You know what I'm saying?
So, is this Brittany's license plate?
Yes.
Okay. So Brittany was driving, you just took a ride with her, you're like, hey,
but because I was with her, that's why I could say that we just dropped them off somewhere, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what he did after that, like I said. Okay. That's all I know, you know.
So you dropped them off, right?
Yes.
You dropped them off, you said on a corner.
And then he called me and said, pick me up, I'm ready to go. It was within, like, not even that long. Like I said, he had a book bag on, so we're thinking his friends gave him something back to him, like he needed to pick up at a friend's house.
Okay.
My brother doesn't tell me everything, so remember that I only did it to get gas money for her car. You know what I'm saying?
Did you, when you guys came to the island, when he said he was going to drop you off, he didn't have a book bag with him?
No, he did.
He did have a book bag with him?
But he didn't take it. Like, he took it. Like I said, it happened so quickly. Like I said, I didn't see nothing. If I would have seen anything suspicious going on, if he took something from the island or some shit, like, I would know. All he said is who knows if I didn't know he had a girlfriend over there, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, you feel me? All he told me was to drop him off. Like, he's picking up something from a friend. That's all I know.
Okay.
That's all I know. That's what me and Brittany knows. That's it.
Okay. Julie, like I said, whatever you tell me right now is only gonna help you and
No,
Brittany.
that's fine. And then
Okay, because she already told me everything that happened.
that's fine.
All right.
Like I said, all I know is I was there for the ride. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I'm there for the ride. That's it. You know what I'm saying? And that's all I know. Like, I didn't even want to pick up my brother.
Okay.
But she just said, you know, we need the gas money. You know, da, da, da. So I listened to her. She said, why would you miss out on just getting gas for the car? So, like I said, maybe she knows more than me. That's what I'm crying for, because I'm just here to support her, like, to talk. Because I didn't know you guys needed to talk to me, too. You know what I'm saying?
When Brittany came to the island and stopped, your brother James got out of the car?
Yes, and he said, wait right here. Like,
Okay.
basically said, I'll call you when I'm ready. Basically, that's what I thought he picked up.
Did you see where he went?
No.
Okay.
It happened so quickly.
And you're 100% sure he had a backpack with him?
I'm 100% sure. That's what I'm saying. I don't know if he like went to a friend's house or like whatever's going on. I don't even know how my brother is.
Okay. So this is where this is gonna help you out. Did you or did Brittany get out of the car while your brother was gone? Which one of you got out of the car?
I never got out the car. I just
never
helped him.
got
I just helped him grab something in the car. Like he said his friend gave it to him. So
What was that thing that you helped him grab?
I don't remember. It was just like a bag. Like I said, a bag. But like I said,
Was it a tool bag?
I think so. But that's.
Were there tools inside that bag?
I think so. Yes.
Okay.
I know it's a tool bag for sure. But he said to help him.
Was it a black and yellow DeWalt bag?
Not that I'm sure. All I remember was a tool bag.
And there were tools inside?
No, that all I know it was a. What I'm saying is, I remember grabbing a tool bag. I'm like, you know, I told you I'm not gonna sit and lie to you.
Okay.
But he said, I said, what is this from? You know what I'm saying? And he just said, just help me get it. So I threw it in the, like whatever with him, and we left.
So all you did was get out of the car to help him put the tools in the bag.
Yeah, because he said his friend gave it to him. That's it.
That's it. That's what I want to clarify. So you never got out of the car and went anywhere with
No,
it.
no, sir.
You just got out of the car.
And he told me to help him with the bag.
He told you to help him with
Yes,
the tool
sir.
bag.
Yes, sir.
And put it in the car.
Yes.
Where did you put that tool bag?
Probably on his side or maybe in the trunk.
So either in the back seat of the car or
Yes.
the trunk. You don't remember exactly where.
Yes.
Okay. After that, where did you guys go?
We took him home, and I went home. She went home, so we went to her dad's. That's about it.
Okay. Where did you drop James off at?
Back home, because I don't live there no more. So I'm gonna give it to me again.
Did
I'm
you
not
ever
sure.
take a tool bag out of Brittany's black Chrysler when you came to the pawn shop?
I think so. Yeah.
Is this the tool bag you took out of the car?
Yes.
Okay.
But just because he told me to.
Okay, listen.
I'm just telling you, sir.
This is what I'm trying to clarify.
But this is what he told me to do, and I didn't know. Like I don't know.
I'm trying to clarify
I
this.
didn't know he
because-
stole it. Like this is so f***ed up. My brother would do this to me again.
Okay,
dude.
I'm trying to clarify this. Do you understand why I'm trying to clarify this?
Yes.
Because I'm going based off of just.
No,
the
I
video.
remember pawn and
Okay,
stuff, but like
okay.
he told me it was
What
from a
did you-
friend. I thought he just was really trying to be a brother, trying to put money in my pocket, whatever. And the best way he did it was fucking steal something, like you said, from a goddamn construction site that I didn't know about. I promise to God, I did not know that at all. All I did was give him a ride and told me to do all that, dude.
Okay, but this is the bag that you helped him put in the car.
Yes,
From
like
that night?
yeah.
Okay.
That's
you
why.
You just didn't know it was stolen.
Yeah, why do you think if I would not help somebody if it was stolen. I would have got the f out of there. Like that's so. Look at the stupid shit. Like it's.
Why didn't you guys sell the tools that were in the bag?
I don't know.
Actuals?
James said something like it wasn't worth that much, but then I was like, I said I thought you needed it. You know what I'm saying?
James said that the people at the pawn shop didn't want to buy it because it wasn't really worth something.
I don't know. That's all what he told me. He doesn't really like this.
But James wasn't with you.
Yeah, because he told me to go inside.
Okay.
I
He told
think-
you to go inside.
Yeah, I think some pawn shops tell you that. I think one person or something. Like I said, I wouldn't. No offense, sir, but if I knew it was stolen, like obviously I know he's my brother. But remember, he shot me, and I'm just trying to get some money. He told me I'd get money out of it. Obviously, like he said that there's tools that he didn't need to work with. So he said that he would give me and Brittany some, and I pawned it so I can give my girlfriend money for gas because obviously we're wasting our time.
Okay.
Trying to pawn whatever that he wanted to pawn from his friend.
Remember how much they gave you?
I thought much like $15, and then I never seen that bag again. I didn't get that much out of that bag. Like
Where did this bag go?
my brother's the only one who knows about that bag.
Who walked out of the pawn shop with the bag?
Probably me. Like if you see right there. Like I didn't know it was stolen, sir. Like
Did Brittany walk out of the pawn shop?
yeah, I'm trying to remember the days, so
Okay.
I'm not sure.
I'm trying to.
If Brittany came back in there to get the bag from me,
Right. I'm
but
just rejogging your memory.
but remember that we didn't know that bag was stolen. So what he said, you know what I'm saying? Why do you think like I'm here? Like I don't know why I'm being arrested for that, but I get it. Like why you think but no, we did not know that bag was stolen.
Okay.
So
You just know that bag's from that construction site.
well now they tell me. I mean,
No, I'm
I'm saying-
asking because you said you helped him put it in the car, right?
oh, that's when he told us to pick him up from the street. He said he was obviously coming out of a friend's house. I didn't see him at no construction site. Like I said, he saw his way here because he's going to a friend and picking up something from a friend. That's what he told us.
Okay.
And then I just helped him put something that like obviously looked like something somebody gave him that because I didn't see him going there. I thought he went to a house or something.
Okay.
So I didn't think too much of it.
Okay. All right. So I'm gonna be straight up with you.
I'm straight up on this, right, sir? Like I swear to God, I did not know it was stolen.
I'm gonna tell you straight up how this is gonna go.
Please.
Okay? When you went to the pawn shop and you pawned that Ryobi battery, okay, that Ryobi battery, all right, belongs to that construction site, and we know that based off of the serial numbers.
That's fine, but I didn't know it was stolen, sir.
Okay. But here's the thing, all right, when you pawn that battery and you put a fingerprint down, right? Do you know what that fingerprint means? That fingerprint means that everything that you're pawning, that you're selling to that pawn shop, by law, it's a Florida state statute, you're authorizing that item not only is not stolen, belongs to you.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Belongs to you. Okay? And that item is not stolen. But here's the key word, belongs to you. Okay? So I understand you're telling me your brother put you in this situation, but here's your chance.
Yes, sir.
To tell me exactly what happened. I know you guys came out to the island. I know Brittany and you were in the car.
Yes.
I know he got out of the car.
Yes, but we did not know where he went. I swear to God.
So you're telling me you have no idea he just disappeared into the dark?
No,
I never saw him jump over.
I swear to God, because he said he just dropped him here and he said he's going to a friend's house.
Okay.
That's about it. Because I told Brittany I didn't even want to go fucking see, but he obviously was giving us gas money. That's it. Okay. So I don't know what to do.
When you helped him pick up that bag from the street, where did it come from? He was standing by that construction
site? Yeah, he just... No, I didn't know there's a... What I'm saying, I didn't know there's a construction site.
Did you see a chain link fence?
No, but what I'm telling you is I was half asleep, so all I know is that he just told me to get the bag. You know what I'm saying? Help him with the bag. Okay. That's all I did.
And you didn't think it was weird? He left the car without a bag?
No, I thought it was weird too. That's why I was arguing with my girlfriend about it. Okay. But she just said nothing to worry about it because she said that he was on the phone with somebody or whatever the case was. You know what I'm saying? But no, I didn't.
Tell me what the case was, because I don't.
No, maybe he acted like he was on the phone talking to somebody, but I swear to God, I didn't even look that much around. Like, I know we're on the islands, but who knows? I didn't know he could have a friend there. Like, I don't know this, you know what I'm saying? But no, I did not see him go into a construction thing. That's why he told us to pull around and go down the street. So probably he didn't want me to see him do that.
Are you telling me this because you actually didn't see him, or are you telling
me
I
swear to God,
you're scared of him?
No, I swear to God, I actually, like, I'm scared of him too.
He's not going to get away with this scot-free, I'm telling you.
No, I'm just telling you right now, I really didn't know, and I really didn't know where he went, and it's so that he would do this to me. You obviously know he already shot me, and I'm already done with the PTSD, so...
I know.
I don't need to lie about anything, you know what I'm saying?
This is why I'm giving you an opportunity.
I really did not know he went. If he would have went, I swear to God, I would have left him there. Okay. Like, I really am just trying to do better with my life, especially my girlfriend. We just needed them. Obviously, he made me gullible to think that he was going to help me with gas money and help me whenever I needed him. You know what I'm saying? Okay. It was not the case, like, at all.
So this tool bag.
I don't know. He's the one that, whatever he did with it, like I said, like, I'm not sure if it's already gone. I don't live at the house no more.
Do you know what he did with that? When
Brittany went
back to the car with that tool bag, those inside of that tool bag, you obviously put it on the counter. So when you put it down, it was open.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
What kind of tools were in there?
Just like any regular tools, because I used to work out for window companies. So just regular.
So describe to me the tools.
It was
tools. What color? Were they white, black?
They were like white and black. That
were they
remember.
HART tools? HART tools?
Some DeWalt, like you said, the DeWalt. That's the only thing I remember.
The bag was.
I'm not really. Okay. The bag was DeWalt, yes.
The battery that you pawned.
Yes.
What company was it? Or what color was it?
It was black and white, maybe. That's maybe. I'm not.
Was it a Ryobi green battery?
Yes. I'm pretty sure it is. Yes. But I can only remember that I pawned that, but that's all I can remember. So.
Okay. When you guys when you went to, this was at La Familia Pawn. When you guys went to Valley Pawn with your brother.
Mm-hmm. He kept telling us where to go to pawn stuff.
You had a drill in your hand, a green drill in your hand. He had a green drill.
That's what he was telling me. That's why I was out there and buying.
Was that green drill in that same bag that you helped him pick up?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
All I know is like he just told me to pawn these things, like, okay. And that's why we're looking at it. And I was asking him questions, like I said, just told me that he didn't really tell me much. He just told me, hey, can you go pawn this for me? I don't have my ID. That's what he told me. I don't know, man. Like I just.
Right now, based off of what you told me and what she told me and everything that we have, okay, what we had, your brother implicated the both of you,
Yes.
in this whole thing.
Yes.
Okay, but when someone is implicated in a crime,
What does that mean?
that means you're essentially going to be charged with parts of it. Okay, he's the one that went into the construction site, so
Yeah,
we'll handle that with him. He's not going to get just.
That's why he didn't come to voluntarily to talk because we did.
But do you understand? Do you understand what I'm trying to tell you?
Yes, sir. I understand you told me. No,
I
know, but sir, I really didn't know.
Help
me out here. I talked to you.
Let me
I'm be nothing but honest.
Okay. And that's only going to help you because you know what? When I write this up, I'm going to put what both of you guys told me. I'm not going to go based off of just what I had, because if I went based off of just what I had, it would have been all three of you with the same charges.
She wouldn't be voluntarily, I wouldn't tell the company voluntarily to talk to you because...
Julia, you know something else? You want me to tell you something else?
Yes.
If you guys never came down and I would have just had to proceed with my paperwork and write up the 3 warrants and charge all 3 of you guys with everything I have, it would have been a situation where you used to live with your brother, her dad's house, any other address that was affiliated with you, the sheriff's office would have executed a warrant at 4 o'clock in the morning or whenever they feel like it. They would have broke the doors down. They would have got canines there. It would have been embarrassing to her family. It would have been embarrassing to your family. Over what? You guys came down here right now. You told me what's up. You told me what happened. And we're just going to get it taken care of today. That's it. You guys are both going to go down to county. All right? You're going to see a judge. Do I believe you're going to get a bond? I don't know. I think you are. I believe you. I genuinely believe you are.
Appreciate it, because I can deal with this. I told you that.
I believe you are going to get a bond. And I'm going to make sure if she's okay with it, if you're okay with it, I'm going to reach out to her dad. I'm going to tell him where your guys are at, where you guys are going to be at.
Do the bond for us.
Yes.
Please.
And I'm going to have him take care of it. And then if you want to pay him back later.
That's what I have to do.
Okay, fair enough. Listen, I'm not going to. I'm just telling you, I'm being straight up with you. What's going to happen today? I don't want you to be like, just to recap real quick. You guys came onto the island. Your brother told you to go to this.
Yeah, he said you need a ride. Yes, because.
And then you help him just put a tool bag.
Yeah, he just told me to. I basically just reached out my hand out the car where he was already told us to pull back up at the corner. So I didn't think nothing of it.
Okay.
I promise I didn't know where he was going.
And he obviously didn't get out of the car with that tool bag. That tool bag.
Obviously not. Okay. But he said he got it from the friend that we're supposed to go.
So he said he got the tool bag from a friend.
That's why, yes.
You just put it in the car. And then you went to, later on that day, you went to a pawn shop.
Yes, because he said that I can make more money. And he said that he didn't need those, whatever he said for me.
He asked you to go to the pawn shop to pawn those tools. And then you pawned the Ryobi battery.
Yeah, one of them. That's it.
With the charging station.
I think so, yes.
Okay. And they gave you $25?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
But then he took half the money, which, whatever.
He took half of it?
Yeah, which I didn't understand. And I'm just like...
How much did he take out of the 25?
All of it, probably, because I didn't get nothing. We didn't get none out of it. Okay. That's why we were mad at him. Why you need, you know what I'm saying? Basically just using us, basically.
Are you thirsty? You want some water?
I just want to get this over with.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm doing the paperwork as fast as I can. All right.
And then my girlfriend anywhere in the building?
She is downstairs.
Is she doing okay?
Yeah, she's fine. I was with her. So I took her to the bathroom up here before we took her downstairs. She gave me her dad's phone number. I gave her a bottle of water.
Anything about me?
Just that she loves you and she wants you to calm down. That's why I told her to talk through the door so you could hear her voice.
I really appreciate that.
No problem. Do you want me to get you some water? Let me get you some water, okay? All right.
You just tell her I love her too.
I will, because I do have to go down there to let her know when her dad comes to the car. So I will tell her that.
Tell her I love her and that I hope I get to see her and hold her again. Because
you guys will.
We didn't get to hold each other. We were fighting last night.
I know.
And you shouldn't fight with the person that you love.
It's okay.
I shouldn't fight with the person I love, and I just feel like I'm never gonna. I'm never gonna see her again.
Let me get you some tissue and some water, okay? All right.
Can you tell me your brother's phone number, please?
Yeah, it's in here. It's her phone, so. I can only give you a number that I know that.
Yeah, give me a number that he actually uses.
My sister.
He uses?
Yeah.
Well, how come I had a name on it? I saw a name on it. I'm sorry,
No, that's James. That's the only number.
James?
What did I say?
That's the number.
James.
That's his working phone.
That's his working phone?
That's the phone that obviously called me or whatever. The freaking.
This is my party.
Yeah,
my party.
He's doing all the work, man. I'm just tagging.
No, it's alright. I appreciate it.
We're trying to get you out because we truly believe just talking to Brittany it was a disaster.
Real?
Yeah, because you both, I don't know if it's naive or you're just too nice. What the hell's wrong?
People
But-
change to just
but-
be good. You know, we love each other so much. So that love.
Okay, but that has nothing to do with your brother.
No, yeah, no.
Bro's playing you and you guys acting like it's cool. It's not cool.
It's not cool at all.
That's all he charges.
No, he did. That's why we just.
And you're lucky you're getting this guy. He's going to write in a way to help you out in
You
court.
know, I really appreciate that. I told you everything I needed to know and didn't lie to you about anything. I told her to I said, you need to tell him everything like I did with you, no matter what, even if I...
That's exactly who's going to write it down. You know, you help us out, whatever. I just got a few follow-up questions, all right? Nothing big, nothing that makes you guilty of anything. He read you
No,
your
it's okay.
rights,
Just ask me
right?
anything.
He read your burglar rights, correct?
Yes,
and you
sir.
gave us the permission to get
Yep.
that number off the phone,
Yes,
correct?
and I gave it to you. Yes,
All
sir.
right. This isn't me trying to help you out. You say no, whatever, you leave me alone, that's fine too. Your brother never told you the items were stolen?
Nope.
Okay. No. Because if he did tell you the items were stolen, well, actually, like...
Well, yeah, of course, if I knew about it, then I'll be... You know what I'm
Well,
saying? But I would have
well-
never done it if it was stolen, sir. You know?
So you... Correct me if you already asked her. You never saw him jump the fence?
No.
And when he went to pass the items over the fence into the street?
No, he already had them in the street. Like, he was already standing by it when I put it in the car. That's why I was, like, helping him if a friend gave some or not, you know what I'm saying? That's all I know is I just helped him. But no, we just made a U-turn, like you said, down the street and picked him up. Like I said, it happened so fast. Like, he wouldn't even
help
come.
yourself here. When Brittany parked the car along the fence line
Yeah.
of a fenced-in place,
I was falling asleep during that time.
which is fine. When you get out of the car and you see him, he's asking you for help and he's on the other side of the fence. You didn't ask any questions.
No. He said, I'll be right back. Basically, like, I'm thinking, like, he's talking to his friend and be right back. Like I said, I was in between sleep and I just there was the car waiting for him. Like,
Well-
I didn't think nothing of it. Like, I didn't want to go. I was really tired and I'm the passenger, so I'm already like,
Did he tell you to grab it or you just grabbed it?
no, he told me to grab it.
Where'd you
This is what he
put
told me.
it after?
But I either put it on his side where he was getting in the car or in the trunk. That's all I remember.
I'm sure.
I'm not sure. Like, it was either one of those. Like I said, everything happened so fast. I just
And when he went back and he came back, did he come up with more stuff?
Not that I remember. No, I wasn't really
So-
paying attention.
Alright, so you don't know why he said I'll be back then?
Yeah.
Because he said I'll be back.
Yeah, he just said I'll be back, basically, and just told me to wait. Like, he just told me to shut the f and wait. It's like, he was being an asshole, basically, at that point. Other than that, I don't know.
So why you keep writing him? He's an asshole. Why you keep writing him? I don't get it.
Just help my girlfriend out with her gas money. Like I said, we don't have any jobs.
Mm.
So it's like, for his girlfriend to fill up her gas tank, because her dad does a lot, you know what I'm saying? He's an older guy. So it's just, when somebody's calling, like, we even give rides to other friends that need help, and they give us gas money or, you know, whatever we need, like, to get, and he didn't really tell me much about it. Like I said, I thought he got it from a friend. You know, you know how my brother is. I didn't want to be near him. Brittany's the one that said yes to, like, picking him up. I'm not saying it's her fault for
No.
picking him up. She just was thinking about the money, too, for herself, so I don't blame her, you know what I'm saying? So I just came along with her, so she wouldn't be by herself. Obviously, like, I'm a jealous girlfriend. I don't want her alone with my brother, like, obviously. I'm not saying I'm insecure about my brother, but that's why I was there, you know what I'm saying? But, no, we didn't know at all.
We're just trying to get anything we can to help you further. So
No, I'm
if there's
okay with that, you
if
know what
there's
I'm saying?
anything that you know that your brother, let's just say he did another job somewhere else.
No, that's all I know. All we did was took him that one time, and I never seen him again because I got really angry with him when I told you that $25 battery.
Yeah.
He told me that we would have got more because we're basically wasting our time in the morning talking about, you know, like, oh, if we pawn this, you know, we're going to get money for it. And, you know, obviously we're mad at this point because we're, like, on empty again and he didn't give us money for our gas. So we were very angry, you know what I'm saying? So we basically wasted our time, you know what I'm saying? So we just didn't understand why he was being like that. So, and then I didn't talk to him ever since that, you know what I'm saying? Ever since that happened. Like, I feel like he was playing me again, like, before in my past. So, plus, I was, like, really scared of him. Like, I feel like he's gonna, like, kill me one day, for real. But I didn't want to see him. My girlfriend's the one that said yes to the ride. And I just went along with it.
When you guys left the pawn shop with the rest of the items that didn't get sold, what happened with those?
My brother's the one that took him. the rest. I don't know what he did with them.
Did he take it to here, or you don't know what he took?
I don't know where he took them.
Because he's not driving, so wherever you guys dropped him off.
No, we dropped them at the home where he took the bag and stuff, whatever, back inside.
So you saw him take the bag?
Yeah, inside, back home to where I was. I'm not sure if it's there no more. Like I said, I don't live there no more. So, obviously.
That address, you got that address.
Yeah.
His address, whatever it is.
But all I know is that we just dropped him off.
That's just where your sister lives.
Yes, that's where he lives.
Would he put the tools inside the house, or you put him in the back?
No, I'm pretty sure he got rid of him by now. Like, that's how he is. You know how he is. Like, come on.
And those tools inside that yellow DeWalt bag.
There's a lot more tools in that bag.
Yeah, they were. You said they were Hart tools. The company was Hart. They're white.
No. I'm not sure the name Hart, but I just remember the DeWalt yellow bag. Like you said, I remember the big name across.
Do you remember if there were the drills inside? What color were they? Black and white.
No, I remember black and white. But other than that, I didn't really go through the bag.
Company. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't. All I know is it was a 2-bag, obviously.
So when James is not bothering you, does he have any friends? Anybody who owes him that he fucking goes to?
All I know, just like I said, there's a lot of friends I know. Like some guy. God damn. Like my sister just said he got in a car today, which I thought he was like on his way to the police station to talk to you guys, because I thought he should do that. You know what I'm saying? And my sister said he took off in a car, so I don't know who he hangs around with no more. All I know is some guy named Marty, which obviously I don't know. Like I said, that's all I know. The first name is Martin or Marty. That's all I know.
Martin.
That's the most I can help you out with. Is where he would be at. You know what I'm saying? And I'm pretty sure that he's with that guy. The guy who freaking.
What does he look like? White guy.
Not like, oh my god, not like the best military guy. He's only did it for years, so it's not like he's like the best. Like he served our country. You know what I'm saying?
Now, other than the 2 pawn shops that you guys went to, does he frequent any other pawn shop?
He said what?
Does he go to any other pawn shop?
Not that no, because he asked us for a ride, so I'm not sure if he asked anybody else for a ride. Yeah, if he frequently used, like I said, maybe asked somebody else and they got more money from him to go. You know
right, that's what I'm getting at. Maybe.
So he probably did. I'm saying probably does do that, but I'm just saying me personally, I didn't even want to go pick him up to go to the items. My girlfriend just said she really needed the money, and he filled up her gas tank, so that's all I know. You know, I really didn't want to see him. I was really uncomfortable seeing him after everything, but. Like I said, she needed the money for her gas, so... Like I said, I told her how he was, you know what I'm saying? I told Brittany how he was. And this is where she could find out for herself how he really is, you know what I'm saying? So, I just wanted to get out of there quick because I threw the bag in the damn car and he told me to hurry up. Because I was really mad at him and shit, and I didn't want to see him, like... But I thought he had a friend in the islands, and that's all I know. I didn't see him go, jump a fence.
The only time when you go pick him up, is always at... Michael's house?
Yes, that's where the 1710, whatever, 6. That's where I recently lived at.
Oh, I forgot to tell you, the dad left his phone number for you and her.
He left it for me, so he's not mad at me and shit?
No, he left the phone number for you with my partner. I'm gonna write it down.
How did he, I'm sorry.
I don't know, I was here with you when I don't know how he's obviously cares if he called, so.
Did she cry? Did Brittany cry?
She wasn't crying, she wasn't hysterical, I mean, she was upset, but she's fine.
Oh, she's gonna make fun of me for crying.
She's fine. No, I won't tell you. I didn't see you crying.
It's alright. So can you just tell her I love her and...
You got it.
I don't know, I hope her dad works on the bond for both of us.
I'll tell her that. You got it.
How long is this gonna be? I'm sorry, I can't be...
It's gonna...
It's giving me such bad anxiety.
It's gonna be a couple hours.
I'm gonna be in here for a couple hours?
Yeah, a couple hours. I'm gonna try to see if I can move you downstairs to a cell, but you're...
Just so I can see her. Like, maybe not... Like I said, I'll be so much better and comfortable if I see her. Like, I promise you, like, just...
When you get down to county, I promise. I'm gonna start the paperwork now, right?
After reviewing the surveillance footage and collecting statements, investigators document the details of the burglary at the construction site. She is charged with grand theft for property valued under $5,000, along with fraud related to false statements made during a second-hand dealer transaction. The interview concludes as the case proceeds through the legal process.